to notch.
Trying to get to that middle point there so it's counteracting the spark, and it's all over the place at the moment.
That's gonna hurt.
So you're making the right length of bolts for the filler caps? Excellent.
All the way through.
All the way through as well, wow.
Just a little bit of wearing out around here. It has gone hard.
Yeah.
Not crazy hard.
Well, at least you know you have exhaust for tomorrow.
Well, yeah, that did start. Yeah.
Level.
So I put more screws in it, but 4 screws didn't. It physically bends the screws in the wood.
Oh, goodness.
Well, it wasn't too bad in the end. Pretty sure that scaffold's been involved in quite a lot of things.
That scaffold's part of the family.
It's family heirloom.
The old car, because the old car was made of plastic, go hidden. Just a bit worried about it being metal. So the government can track him. Centre in the steering wheel. So many notches you can do on the actual steering wheel.
Right.
You've got to do it on this.
Right.
It's one of the most
Awkward places to get to.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.